Oh boy.
The National Weather Service in Norman has issued a tornado warning for northwestern Oklahoma County and central Oklahoma, northwestern Cleveland County and central Oklahoma, east central Canadian County and central Oklahoma until 10 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 9:12 p.m. Central Standard Time, a tornado-producing storm was located over southwestern Oklahoma City, or near Mustang, moving northeast at 40 miles an hour. Expected hazards included a damaging tornado. Tornadic debris has been confirmed by radar. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Oklahoma City, Edmond, Bethany, Mustang, War Acres, The Village, Nichols Hills, Jones, Arcadia, Forest Park, Woodland Park, and Lake Aluma.